Some paths are not meant to be rushed. They whisper stories through the wind, carrying the scent of peace and the rhythm of nature. Each step you take here feels like a soft conversation between your soul and the earth beneath your feet. The sunlight dances through the trees. The air feels lighter, almost sacred. And for a moment, everything stands still, reminding you that peace doesn't have to be found far away sometimes. It's right here, waiting quietly at the end of a simple path.